Welcome back. Today, we're gonna unbox the AC Infinity trim tray, the ultimate trim tray, in my opinion. And I'm gonna compare it to some other one I got, but I haven't opened it yet, so I'm kind of excited. Let's get right to it. On some gas. Big box. Excuse me. Like this. Packaging. A1. A1 packaging, always. Just your regular trim tray instruction kit if you don't know how to put together what it comes with and all that, but it's only a few pages. That's what comes in there. That's about it. Cleaning it. And obviously the warranty, but we don't gotta worry about that. Not with AC Infinity. It's the best when it comes to their warranty and their products. One of these little cards they always put in. Surprised I didn't get a grow book. Nice trays. Good quality. You do that with one of the other ones and kiss that one goodbye. It's a little brush. It's a cool little brush. Let's see what we got. AC Infinity. It's nice. I'm not gonna take it apart because I'm not gonna use it right now, but pretty nice. Better than the other ones that come in the kits. I think the one that come in the other kits look like, I think this. Yeah, you get this. I don't know. Move on. What's this? Oh, they give you some more pruning shears, huh? My favorite. I actually like these. I got a bunch of them already, but you can always use more because they get dirty. Now, if you don't know, that matters. That little spring back, that actually matters when you're sitting in jail, trimming. No, not prison, but yeah, trim jail. You guys didn't really think I meant prison, right? Like I said, the packaging is amazing. Let's just put this over here. Pull this off. I think they said it's interchangeable. That means you can take it out. I don't know how yet. I'll slide it out this way. I can see. There we go. Pretty easy. Pretty sturdy stuff. And then I believe you could put this one in there. As so. Pretty easy. Pretty happy with it so far. More packaging. Usually you just get it like in a box. You just got, or actually I think my trim tray came in plastic. And I just had to pop the plastic off. Wow. Yeah, you can knock somebody out with this. This is like, no joke. Nah, I ain't gonna do it. I was thinking about it. AC Infinity, baby. I don't know if I can see the tag, but yes, sir. Engraved. That's nice. That's nice. Let's put this off to the side real quick. But there's more. You thought it was over? No. More packaging. Making sure your product come in nice condition. I think that's it. Let's put this off to the side. Oh yes, the bottom part. Oh, does that say AC Infinity? Whew. Like it. Say it again. Say it again. AC Infinity. And they got it again right here. Pretty good. Once again, quality of this shit is good. Let's put it together. I believe it goes like this. Let's lower this a little bit. Yeah, that's nice. Yep, man. I know I got some trimmers somewhere. I'm gonna pull out the AC ones. Alright, yeah. Let's see. Oh, like this. Pretty nice. Alright, let's get the other one. The one I was using before. I ordered this. I should have been got this. I don't know what I was waiting for. Let's see. Here we go. My VPD gun, AC Infinity. If you don't got one, go get one. I love this thing. Don't play with me. Go get one. Alright, what's next? Don't get this, because this I ordered. Let me see. I ordered this and no, measurements are off. Yeah, waste of I think 20, 30 bucks. Don't do it, fellas. All right. My old trimmer base, kind of dirty. There's two of them. Very flimsy. I mean, I don't care about it now, so if I break it, I break it. I got the AC Infinity one now. All right, it's two of them, but do a side-by-side comparison. Dang, this one got a little weight to it. Jeez, I'm not even gonna lie. It's back. Hold on, back the camera up so you guys can see. As you can see, AC Infinity way deeper. They're about like the same length though. See if you can see like that. Just a little. I think I paid 40 bucks for this, and it came with that brush I showed you, and then it came with magnifying glass that's still in the plastic because nobody uses this, so that was a waste. And then it came with two pruning shears. They're not good at all. I mean, I still have them in the packaging. I have two out, and oh, here's one. Yeah, they come with these compared to, I mean, excuse me. Feels great. I mean, this just feels like I got it from the Dollar Tree. This felt like I got it from like AC Infinity. I mean, I could do this hand all day. Look. This one just feels cheap. I mean, you can hear it. This one's smoother. This ain't the new pair either. These are used. My new pair is, I don't know where I put it at. I threw them somewhere over here. Oh, right here. Here's the new pair, still in the packaging. Like I said, all day. AC Infinity, clear winner. That is what you want, fellas. They're the best.